Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna show you how to disable NetBIOS in Windows 10 PC. So first of all, click on Start. Now in here click on this gear icon for settings. Now click on Network and Internet. Now click on Change Adapter Options. Now right click on your network connection. In my case, I am using Wi-Fi, so I will right click on my Wi-Fi connection. Now click on Properties. Now in here, click on your Internet Protocol. I am using Internet Protocol version i4, so click on it and click on Properties. Now in here, click on Advanced. Click on Wins. Here you will find the option Disable NetBIOS. So check this box, Disable NetBIOS. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Close it and restart your PC. So friends, by this very easy and simple method, you can disable NetBIOS in Windows 10 PC. I hope you like this video. Please comment this video is work for you or not. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.